Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a mask and blending videos with CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is prepare two clips like this and then make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to make the first one. So click on the overlay and here I'm going to trim the duration to have it the same. And on the second video or on the overlay, go to mask, then select the horizontal options and then turn the masking to 90 degrees like this. Okay, you can to make it easier, you can just go to adjust, and here I'm going to rotate it into a 90 degrees, and now click on the feather and add some feather effect to have a blending effect like this, so it is seen that the video will become one like this using the feather. You can adjust it how you like. I'm going to go with 60. Now click on a check icon and this is the result. So now the video is blending, the two video is blending into one. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.